Hey there, so we were discussing these questions. Let's move on to question 2. It says that you step on the brakes of your car. The car skids a certain distance on a straight level road. So if you were traveling twice as fast, what distance would the car have skidded under identical conditions? So for this question, you can of course exclude some of the options. Now, since the car is traveling twice as fast, you expected the skidding distance to be greater than before, right? So you can exclude D and E over here. And as you've seen, I've already pointed out the right answer over here. Let's see why that's the case. So you can see that you can look at this equation of motion, right? 2a delta x equals vf squared minus vi squared. Now you can assume that the final velocity of the car is 0. So you get 2a delta x equals negative vi squared, and delta x equals vi squared over 2a. So don't worry about the negative sign. It's deceleration over here, velocity and acceleration point in opposite direction. So delta x turns out to be positive because acceleration is negative, right? So then if the distance is different, so let's say your velocity is twice, so let's call it vi prime, then of course the stopping distance is different. Let's call it delta x prime. Now vi prime is twice of v, so you get a factor of 4 multiplied by your original distance in this bracket. Negative vi squared is your original distance over here. Okay, so then you get delta x prime equals 4 delta x. So that's why option A is the answer for this. Okay, so it skids 4 times farther.